Yeah. Which one do you like best? Which one do you like? You like this one best. Why do you like that one best?
Because it's bigger.
Because it's bigger.
Perhaps. Nah, I can see myself.
You can see yourself. Okay, come on. Come on over here. Come on over here. Right. Yeah, helmets. So, we're going to have a chat about the panniers from the bike today. Do you remember what these are for?
Yeah, for putting on the back of your bike.
They're for putting on the back of the bike. We've got three, haven't we? Yeah.
I want to touch yours, Daddy. Is one of you the helmets yours and one of them are Mama's?
No, they're both mine. There's my old helmet and my new helmet.
But what is your old helmet?
You see this? You see this? It's for holding in the luggage. You see? Put it in and it holds it in. But would you not think it'd be better to have it up here so when you open up the lid, it actually holds things in the lid rather than them all falling out? It seems that this is maybe in the wrong place. It's just not really greatly thought through. But let's see if the helmets fit in. Because this is a standard test for how big panniers and things are. So my BMW, let's put it like that. My BMW helmet, it fits in, yeah. But if I was to take my other helmet with me, let's see, will it fit? Let's try this one. Can we get two in? Maybe, yeah, maybe. Let's see. Hey, look at that. We can get two in. That's good, isn't it? Two helmets.
Two helmets.
Yeah. Because this is 45 litres. You can get 45. Yeah, that's right, Max. 45 litres of things in here.
Oh.
And look, and you see the mechanism. You see, it just flips up and it pulls it down nicely. And you take the key out. You see? Can you try that? Can you try that? Can you close it? Can you close the mechanism? Right, push it up there. Push it down. Click at me. Okay. Give it a click. There it is. That's good. So it's polished up really nicely. Yeah. And it's got the aluminium panels. These can be replaced with other colours. Reflective bars all around. This space is the back puppy. So reflective bars there. And it is easy to fit because there's a red button, and when it's unlocked, you just push the red button. And that cast there moves, and you can pull it off. You locked it, yeah. Let's listen. Is that heavy?
This isn't pretty heavy.
Whoops.
I got it on. Well, Dada, I pretty got it on.
Yeah, look. These look great in the bike, don't they? Can you come down here? Don't they look great in the bike? And from that angle, from this angle, looking at the front, it looks quite big, doesn't it? It looks quite big from here. Yeah. Looks big. Does it look big?
Yeah.
Now let's have a look inside because it doesn't seem to be as big on the inside as it is on the outside. Why do you think that is?
I don't know.
Because when you open it up, look, have a look. It doesn't actually look that big on the inside, does it? 29 litres. Now, I don't think I can get my helmet. Can you hold this up for me?
Yes.
Let's see. You hold it up. Let's see. I've never tried to get my helmet. Oh, no, I've never even tried to get it in there because of... Let's tilt that around. Let's see. Nope. I'm not going to get a helmet in there. What about... Well, that one's the same size, honey. What about the things down here? What have I got down here? Yeah, so pair of gloves. Put the gloves in. Okay. I really love the look. But then, when you turn it sideways, you see there's a big cutout here. And that, I think, is to get it onto different kinds of models with different exhausts. So it's more modular, it can be reused, but you know, I don't need this in the NC750X. The exhaust is down below, so that could have been squared off. And here's the metal holder, and also turn it this way. Oh, fantastic puppy! Look, this is all scooped out so that when you've got someone on the back of the bike, this is where their legs can go down to the pedals. Again, it's, you know, if that was squared off, you get that extra little bit of use, and we make the inside a little bit more user friendly, because although it's 29 litres, it's not very user friendly. So let's put that in there. Whoops. Okay, let's see how many toys you can get in. Who's that? Is that Pip? Okay. Come round this side and put your toys in. Come round here. You put your toys in. Can you get this open? Because I always find it a little bit of a fiddle. No, look, because you need to stretch it, twist it, and then sort of fiddle with it to get it through back through the hole like that. Okay. So you can get 1 toy, 2 toys, 3 toys, 4 toys, 5 toys.
We have some more space.
You've got some more space, and that's 29 litres. Do you want to try and get some more toys in there?
Yeah.
But just to recap,
Yeah.
these look absolutely fantastic on the bike, designed for the bike, but these cutouts take away a lot of the practicality of using it for transporting things around.
Daddy, we'll put some water in here.
Okay.
Let's go.
I think you've reached the boredom point, haven't you, honey? You're bored now, you've reached enough. 29, 29.
More than 29.
More than 29, it's 45.
More than 29.
So, look fantastic. Practicality, you have to pack really carefully, don't you, honey? Choose what you want to take with you.
And Daddy, I put
Good for the day.
things in here.
All the things fit in there. Yep. And if I've got 2 of those, I can probably have everything which is in here plus more. And just 2 of them.
Daddy. Look at it.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at it.
What do you think, Max? Look, can you pull that off for me?
Yes.
I think that's just to keep it safe when it's travelling, because this is supposed to be rugged, around the world style luggage. Right, needs a little protective case. I think it's maybe a bit of marketing. Let's do a quick recap. So, come right here and let's have a quick chat. So, yeah. Which one do you like best? Which one do you like? You like this one best. Why do you like that one best?
Because it's bigger.
Because it's bigger. But look, honey. This is the thing. Is it really bigger? Because look, that's bigger. Yeah. Come on, do it from this side. Look. Do it from there. Look. That's the same. That's almost the same height. Yeah. And look. Is it slightly bigger? So this is slightly bigger this way. Yeah. So it's almost the same height. It's slightly bigger this way at the biggest bit. And when we do this, let's turn it this way round, so put the camera on. Look at that. Because right now we want to compare, look how wide it is, honey. It's almost the same width. Yeah, it's almost the same width. Let's put this here. Yeah, so when it's on the bike, it's going to be the same height and almost the same width. And so it's going to be the same. Yeah, do you like this one?
Yeah.
How many toys do you think you can get in there?
Let's try.
Let's try. And width-wise, you know, really, there's not a lot of difference, is there, Poppy?
No.
The height, depth, pretty much the same. It's just this is squarer, yeah. Oh, okay. Let me move this up. Now, let's see. There's another. No, I can't pick this up because it's locked. I can't actually pick it up. So I have to unlock it, lock it, and then I can pick it up. Right. So. Obvious difference. Well, there's no handle. There's two handles, but also you can connect things to these. And you can with these you can put 5 things to the top. There's pretty much no way you can attach anything to the outside of this pannier without having some sort of innovation way of doing it. Now, can you lock that? You push down. That's it, good job. Now, it fits, everything fits, yeah? Let's have a look. Look. Look at all those toys. Fantastic, yeah? What about my things? Can we put my things in at the same time? Or take your things out?
No!
Okay, throw my things in. So, my gloves, my waterproofs, oh, it's my inner gloves, my washing things. Yeah. Okay, now look at that.
Yes, close.
Let's close it. Okay. Now come round here and just show everyone how to close it. Push it up. Yeah, is it going over? What's wrong? Just needs to be straight. Oh, that's it. Get over the bar and push it down. Okay, good. Yeah? Yeah. Which one do you like best? Which one do you like? You like this one best. Why do you like that one best?
Because it's bigger.
Because it's bigger.